So my average week is obviously developing product. So we keep track of requirements for improvements to the product and bug fixes.
We start the day with a catch-up with the rest of the team. Sometimes there's some testing that's been done yesterday, so the next day there's some solving of bugs or anything like that to do in the morning.
I'm quoting, scoping and developing bespoke requirements for customers.
We have our own build process to manage building of apps, so sometimes we look into that. There's a lot to it other than just the coding bit, but obviously as a developer the coding is the main bit for me.
I like the creative aspect, so making reports, so sales invoices, and sometimes customers want really unique things on there, so you kind of get a bit of freedom in how you design that and then reporting back to them.
So it's always nice when you've worked on a particularly tricky piece of functionality or problem, isolated what you need to do and then actually got it working and out there for people.
I like developing, just developing the requirements for the customer. It's quite creative and you get to sort of get stuck in.
The challenge really. So every day I know that there's something waiting for me to get my teeth into.
A big misconception about the role is that you have to be amazing at maths and have to be really maths-minded, when actually that's not the case.
People think it's rocket science or something. It's just not true. We're very good. I think to be a good software developer, you need to be able to abstract things and problem solve.
So someone that would be a good fit for this role would be someone who's driven and likes to problem solve. Doesn't necessarily have to have a background in coding, but it would help. And someone who's just interested in working with the latest technology.
Generally you need a can-do attitude, you need to be positive, you need to be a good team player, you need to be ready to help other people out.
So someone that isn't scared to get stuck in can break things and then fix them as well. That's a good mindset, I think.
Well, definitely someone who likes a challenge, because when you're looking at bugs, you do have to scratch your head sometimes. But also creativity, looking around the picture, not just taking what's there and writing exactly what the person's asked for, sort of looking at what other solutions you can come up with. So someone a bit more creative and think outside the box.
I've found working at Tecman really rewarding. I'm surprised myself, I've only been here a year and 6 months and I've already learned so much.
Compared to other places that I've worked, I would say that the one thing that's always struck me about technology management is that they're prepared to invest in people.
It's great, it's really friendly, like everyone's supportive.
The main thing is you get the technology to do the job and you're treated well.